I'm here to give you a quick understanding of how to use this product once you have purchased it from the link given in description, and it's somehow that will be visible when you have downloaded it in your download folder. It's in a zip file. When you right click it and select extract files, you can easily choose its either extract file or extract here for extracting in different folder. It's available for both for Mac users and for Windows, and it's all the settings is according to that. You don't have to edit any settings and just hit OK. Here is the other folder that it has extracted successfully. Now double click on it. You can see the products here like this. These are the 3 products that you will be getting. With the readme instruction, there are 2 files, one for single tone and the second is for double tone colors. And now if you double click on this readme instruction file, you can find the written instruction of step by step for how to installing them in Photoshop and then how to using them. And these rest both are the 18 files, the action files, that can be easily installed in Photoshop when you want to use them. Now open Photoshop. This is how it looks right now, and you open any photograph of your choice that we'll be using the action for. Go to File, then hit Open. Here you am having these all pictures. Go to the folder where you want to use the picture with, like here. Just select any of them, hit Open. Here you have the image on your canvas. And now you can see in this here in the right side there is action tab open like this. If it's not visible there, go to Windows and then hit action here. Once you hit it, the action panel is open like this. Right now we are having only default actions, so just click over the hamburger menu here and select load actions. In some cases it is also written as import actions or insert action. That a new dialog box is open, and go to the folder where you have successfully extracted all the right now downloaded thing. Just go to, like here I'm having it in this download folder. Oops. Yes, here in this, double click on it and then select the file that you want to install right now. Now I'm going for a dual tone color Photoshop action, so just then here in the load, it's an ATN file, so it's go to load. It's successfully loaded in the Photoshop. Now once you click on this arrow icon here, you can see all these actions. Once you hit again, it's not visible, so let it be visible right now. And then as I want to use this first action for a sample for you guys, so just hit here the play action button. Down in the action panel there is a play action button like this. Just click on it to make the action goes on your photograph. So it has successfully done in seconds. You sit back on your chair and wait for the action to complete itself. So you can see how detailed work is there of lightings. It's as real as the photo shoot. Also, if you want to that if too dark for your photos or it's too highlighted, you can just adjust the opacity or fill of the group as a whole. You can also see it's detailed on the hair part and on the shadows and highlights. It's maintaining all of it. It's best for any portrait photographs in the dark mode. So just go to this link or link in the description to shop it now.